AI Auto creates hundreds of stunning WP sites with AI mass content and advanced cybersecurity in minutes. See how new marketers use new AI to land desperate clients and sell them sites no other agency can offer. Jaw-dropping AI sites. AI builds stunning WordPress sites that are easily customizable, complete with AI-generated content that ranks for targeted keywords. Smart cybersecurity protection. Our cutting-edge smart security solution guarantees protection against spam, hackers, and the latest AI cyber threats. Find credit card ready clients. Find small businesses desperately in need of website design services or advanced security solutions with unique lead targeting. Auto contact and close clients. Generate personalized lead magnets to show your prospective clients their website vulnerabilities and offer solutions for quick fixes. AI mass content generator. Let AI create tons of niche blog posts and content that will rank in Google and won't be penalized, generating tons of passive leads. AI images, videos, and SEO. Bring your pages to life with AI images for your posts, AI videos to rank in YouTube, and smart SEO with WordPress. Preview the future with one-click demos. Allow your clients to witness the wonders of their future website effortlessly and give feedback fast. And far more. In this super unique AI website agency system. Stunning hack-proof AI websites that rank for hundreds of keywords. Build and sell sites no other agency can create or offer in your own blue ocean market. Number 1. Find clients that need websites or security. Find small businesses that need a website or have unsecured websites that need advanced security installed on them. Number 2. Let AI build and protect. Build stunning WordPress sites with AI content, AI images, and advanced security measures protecting against the latest spam, hackers, and cyber threats. Number 3. Profit in an untapped market. Use or sell these sites to millions of potential clients that need customizable sites that drive passive leads with advanced protection. Every business must have a stunning high-converting site to even compete. There are millions of small businesses searching for ways to create high-end customizable websites. Around 252,000 new websites are created every day worldwide. That means there are more potential site customers than can be served. There are about 33,000 domain name registrations every day. Millions of small businesses are in dire need of website design services or advanced security solutions and are starting from scratch. Around 94% of people revealed that web design is why they rejected a website, irrespective of what was being offered. You'll be able to leverage AI to create gorgeous, high-converting WordPress sites clients actually want. $6,760 is the average rate for quality website design. With just a few clients, you can be running a six-figure agency business. Get ready to unleash the power of Pixel Armor AI, the #1 artificial intelligence-powered web design and security system. No more mediocre designs and vulnerable websites. Embrace a world of captivating visuals, high-ranking AI content, and impenetrable security. With its unparalleled flexibility and user-friendly interface, Pixel Armor AI automates the entire website design process. Whether you're a blogger, an affiliate marketer, or a brick-and-mortar biz owner, Pixel Armor AI has got your back. In just a few clicks, you'll have a stunning website with undetectable AI content that drives targeted leads for you. Its state-of-the-art security features protect your website from cyber threats, ensuring you and your visitors can browse with confidence. Pixel Armor AI is easy to use. Find clients that need websites and generate site audit reports. Enter a keyword to find clients looking for website design and security and find their contact information fast. Run a site audit showing them vulnerabilities to help get your foot in the door, and land them as a potential site client. Close your leads with built-in sending. Send a proven, fully customizable email to your leads with Pixel Armor AI built-in sending solution to land them as a client. Choose to include a link to their site audit report if you want. Create an AI WordPress site with mass content in a click. Enter a keyword and let the site wizard create a stunning, high-converting WordPress site in any niche. Add AI images, AI videos, AI content, and AI SEO optimization to create mass amounts of pages that will rank for long-tail keywords, driving tons of leads to the business. Integrate smart cybersecurity in a click. Integrate the smart cybersecurity solution in a click. This protects against the most advanced hacking, malware, phishing, and more threats while running seamlessly in the background with no experience needed. AIDFY WordPress Website Generator effortlessly create stunning, high-converting WP websites by just clicking a few buttons. Choose a keyword and choose customization options. Generate gorgeous, high-converting sites that will leave your clients speechless. One-click demo generator. Instantly impress clients with dynamic website demos. Create captivating website demos within seconds, allowing your clients to visualize the incredible potential of their future site. Over 3,000 plus niche themes to choose from. Step into a world of endless design possibilities with over 3,000 plus niche themes at your fingertips. Whether sites for brick and mortar businesses, affiliate marketers, e-commerce store owners, and more, our gigantic template library has got you covered. AI mass content creation. Fuel your websites with AI-powered content by just entering a keyword. Unlock the ability to generate unique, high-quality content that captivates your audience, boosts conversions, and ranks high in Google search results. Add AI images. Add stunning, high-quality AI images to wow your visitors. Transform your client's website into a stunning gallery with attractive graphics that sets it apart from others. Add AI videos. Enhance your websites instantly by effortlessly integrating powerful videos anywhere, captivating your audience with dynamic content. Boost your visibility on Google and YouTube with AI-powered videos. Rank for tons of search terms. Use artificial intelligence to improve your online customer experience and outshine your competitors. Search keywords for listings, metadata, blogs, and more by knowing local SEO to become a leader in long-tail keywords. Site Generation Wizard. Easily customize your website with the Website Design Wizard that allows customization of all elements, from social integration to headers, navigation and more, and tag it all with easy clicks. Add countdown timers in a click. Incentivize conversions and increase speed by easily integrating countdown timers with one click. Encourage your visitors to take action immediately, and witness a surge in customers sold with irresistible limited time offers. 50 marketing layouts. Enhance the beauty of your website with 50 pre-designed marketing layouts. Easily integrate services and products, and let your creativity flourish with clarity and conciseness by creating visually engaging campaigns that resonate with your audience. AI website content generation. Fuel your websites with AI-powered content that converts. Unlock the ability to generate unique, high-quality content that captivates your audience, boosts conversions, and ranks high in Google search results. AI SEO generation. Command SEO supremacy with AI-driven optimization. Elevate headlines, meta tags, and more to secure higher Google rankings for your clients, unleashing the power of AI to outshine their online competition. AI image generation. We leave your website users in awe by enhancing the visitor experience with captivating AI-generated images that bring magic and professionalism that leave an engaging and lasting impression. AI video generator. Empower your website with one-click video integration and seamlessly embed dynamic content everywhere, from product demos to inspiring stories, to engage your audience and increase engagement. Advanced AI security system. Protect your website hassle-free. Activate our AI cybersecurity system effortlessly. Just upload and turn it on. It operates seamlessly in the background, providing multi-layered protection against advanced attackers, malware, phishing scams, and more with automatic updates. Easy upload and management. Simplify website security with Pixel AI. No technical expertise needed. Effortlessly protect your site through an easy upload and management system, letting advanced AI handle the rest for peace of mind and a secure online presence. Auto updates and runs by itself. Stay worry-free with Pixel Armor AI security system. Automatic updates and seamless operation eliminate manual maintenance, keeping your website consistently up to date with the latest security measures. IP blocker. Secure your website by effortlessly blocking unauthorized IP addresses, enhancing protection with an additional layer of security for peace of mind and safeguarding your valuable online assets. Country blocker. Manage website access by controlling it based on geographical locations, allowing you to permit or block traffic from specific countries for enhanced security, safeguarding against potential malicious activities and ensuring access for your intended audience only. Hide login. Increase access security. Block URLs, block potential attackers, and increase protection to protect your credentials from malicious attempts. Advanced HT access hardening. Strengthen your website's protection. Pixel Armor AI's advanced HT access hardening provides a strong and robust AI defense. Attacks and hacking attempts. Advanced spam and DDoS protection. Safeguard your website. Pixel Armor's advanced system filters out spam and DDoS attacks, ensuring security and smooth functionality, even during peak times. Spam protection. Shield your website from disruptive spam comments, fostering genuine interactions and upholding a clean, professional online environment. reCAPTCHA. Boost form and user security. Verify humans, thwart bot infiltration, and ensure only legitimate users access and interact with your website's content. Auto-update old plugins, themes. Proactively tackle compatibility issues and vulnerabilities by staying vigilant against outdated plugins and themes through seamless updates. Features like no technical experience needed, around-the-clock support, pick from thousands of images and graphics. Auto-updates included, mobile and retina-friendly, in-app training included, hundreds of niches and types of sites. Real results. Training and tutorials. This is my new favorite tool. Pixel Armor AI is awesome. I love how many theme and niches choices you have. And AI content, AI images, and AI videos in one. Travis. Pumping out tons of sites that get results is back on the table. Require a solid security plan with all the malware these days. I got early access and Pixel Armor AI was so easy to use. Pumping out tons of sites that get results is back on the table again thanks to your amazing invention. Get these amazing launch day bonuses if you order today. White label rights to Spin Game Elite. Unlock lead generation success. Gamify with a spin to win tool for irresistible engagement. Agency rights to AI SEO agent. Dominate Google rankings effortlessly. AI-powered SEO tool for rapid WordPress site optimization. IG video stories with agency rights. Unlock a vast library of editable IG video stories for rapid client account growth. Agency rights to local appointment scheduler. Empower websites with effortless appointment booking using local appointment scheduler. Reseller rights to mass social post technology. Utilize AI for site content creation, and leverage mass social post for widespread social media engagement, boosting profits effortlessly. Local multi-store locator maps. The top-notch app for Google Maps creation, enabling multiple store locations on a single map. NitroBooster for WP. Boost WordPress page speed with NitroBooster for optimal loading, enhancing conversions and SEO. AI chat assistant with agency rights. Deploy an AI agent for authentic interaction, answering questions, selling, and engaging visitors. If you make a purchase from the link in the description, you will receive a free bonus. Take a screenshot of the product you purchased. Send it to me on Instagram. I will give you a free bonuses. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content.